Hello everyone, you are watching Master Mechanic YouTube channel. In this video we learn about the function of radiator in engine cooling system. The radiator is a vital component in a car's engine cooling system. Its primary function is to dissipate the heat absorbed from the engine coolant, thereby maintaining the engine at an optimal operating temperature. As the engine runs, it generates a significant amount of heat due to internal combustion and friction between moving parts. The coolant absorbs this heat and carries it away from the engine to prevent overheating. The hot coolant flows through the radiator, where it is cooled before being recirculated back to the engine. Now let's see the radiator achieves this cooling through the following process. Heat exchange. The radiator consists of a series of thin tubes and cooling fins made from heat-conductive materials like aluminum. When hot coolant enters the radiator, it travels through these tubes, and the heat is transferred from the coolant to the metal surfaces. Airflow. As the vehicle moves, or with the help of an electric or belt-driven cooling fan, air flows across the radiator fins. This airflow carries away the heat from the radiator, allowing the coolant to cool down effectively. Thermostatic regulation. The thermostat controls the flow of coolant to the radiator, ensuring that the engine warms up quickly after starting and maintains a stable temperature during operation. Now finally we see summary. The radiator acts as a heat exchanger that ensures the engine remains within a safe temperature range. This not only prevents overheating and potential engine damage but also improves fuel efficiency and engine longevity. Next video we learn about the function of radiator cap. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all.